5 winning high potential products that you could sell for August. Let's go. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jeffrey and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome to my channel. I make e-commerce videos, entrepreneurship, dropshipping, everything else in between. So if you like my content, if you like myself, be sure to smash the subscribe button, hit that like button as well, and comment down below what you want to, what you feel like about this video. And also be sure to comment down below to enter the contest of the giveaway, which I'll be mentioning later. So anyway, today we want to talk about 5 unsaturated winning products that you could sell right now. And this is going to be part 4 of the video. I've made several in the past, but they are not related in any way. So you could feel free to watch this first and then the other ones later on in no particular order. So without further ado, let's get right to the video. So before we begin to the products, I want to welcome all new subscribers. If you'd like to see more, remember to like the video, turn the notifications on, subscribe to my channel of course. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs soon, so if you can, if I can get your support, that would be really appreciated. Comment down below BRANDFAM as well below, and what you want to see next, because we will be giving a giveaway, and I do answer all questions as well. And once we reach about 15 comments for every video, I will be giving away one free 30-minute call or review your stores. So be sure to enter, because I want to give you guys this opportunity and I want to connect with you guys as well. So make sure to do that as well. So let's get right to the product for product number 1, which is going to be sweatproof pads. And this is going to be this product right there, which is a sweat shield pad washable armpit. Basically it's the sweatproof pad. Basically it's just to block all the sweat from your armpits, so to prevent you from getting sweat stains, which is a huge problem for many people, and it's a worldwide issue. And you can see in the ratings for this supplier that it's not too bad. They've been in the game for a long time, since 2013, so almost about 6 years or so. And the ratings are good out of all the 470 reviews, and they have a lot of orders, which means people are liking this item, and it's a very trustworthy supplier. And like I said, sweat stains is an ongoing issue, and it's a worldwide issue, so it can actually be a great problem solver to many people. The margins, however, and the perceived value is relatively low for this, so you might have to rely on volume orders. But the good thing is that a lot of people can buy multiple at once, so you can try to upsell them by offering 3 at once at a discount, 4 or 5, so you can really bump up that average order value. For example, people would probably buy about 3 or 4, maybe for their friends or for themselves, because usually they might not be reusable for too much or too often. So you can get them to buy more than 2 or 3. And what I would do for targeting is just target different types of sports and the associated brands, and maybe narrow it down by like people who are into maybe health or well-being, something like that. So just to make it more targeted. But you can really mess around with the targeting in this aspect, and as long as you're targeting the right people who are into sports or anything that's more physically draining or demanding. You can also try target people, abstract terms like sweat, and see what kind of suggestions come up on Facebook. Those can actually be really useful as well. So definitely test that out if you want to. The good thing about these products is that they're really low return rates. So you can say that you don't really accept returns because of the hygienic reasons, because of for health issues or hygienic reasons, things like that. So you can really have a low return rate that way. And I can't really say much about chargebacks, but definitely low return rates in this case. So on to the second product, which is going to be a shape contour gauge duplicator, which is basically going to be this product. And it looks pretty novel, it looks pretty unique, solves a big problem, as we'll discuss later. And you can get it for a pretty cheap price. You can sell this for about maybe $25, or maybe start with 19 and then work your way up. You can definitely make this product winning product in a niche store. So once you find a good product, this is a good product from a general store, you can transition to a niche store, and you can really brand it and make it more personalized and more of a brand. So it's really good for people who are into construction and DIY, and it really solves a big problem, because as you can see, these corners, they're really hard to measure. So by having this, you can actually contour, like shape it correctly, and then put like, let's say those boards, perfectly into the kind of corners. I can't really explain it, but hopefully you get what I mean from these pictures, as well. But it solves a huge problem because people can't measure them historically, and it solves a huge problem because I said corners are hard to measure during the renovation and moving period. So it's really gonna solve that problem. But apparently it's really nothing new because it's been there for quite a while. There's been metal ones, the duplicators, but just by it being plastic means that it's more portable and more lightweight. So I guess this could be a selling point for you as well, to really differentiate yourself from the metal ones. And for targeting, you can target people who are into DIY, home improvement, and those associated brands like those magazines, brands, people, or maybe even woodworking. And you can even try target abstract terms like home improvement, DIY, woodworking, and see what kind of suggestions you get from Facebook as well. So second product here is going to be contour gauge duplicator. As you can see, pretty simple product, really good ratings, 4.9 out of 5 out of an average reviews, average rating out of 312, almost 1,200 orders, and overall good ratings for the vendor, and above average shipping speed and communication. So definitely worth trying out for this. Third one is going to be a baby/kids portable table, which is going to be this product right here. So it's going to look like this. This shouldn't be it, but basically it comes in 5 colors, and then you can see the picture in use, the product in use. You can put like a bunch of kids drawing books and stuff, and really keep the kids occupied when they're like driving to like a particular place, like for lunch or like to a hike, something like that. So adjustable back straps keep trade secure to the kids. Contour design fits snugly to the kids' waist, so you can say it's really safe for them. It's soft and foamy, very comfortable, doesn't hurt themselves. Yeah, so there we go. So again, good for kids when family's out in the car. You can burn some time and really prevent your kids from shouting or wanting attention, because kids can get kind of naughty and want the parents' attention, and it might distract you from driving. So having that here is going to keep you guys more safe for the family, because you can focus on driving and other stuff, and just basically keep them more occupied without having to play on mobile phones as well, which is a good thing, because nowadays a lot of kids focus more on playing in mobile phones, and it's really affecting their eyesight and just their ability to learn. So I guess you could put that somewhere in your ad copy or your ad creative as well, or maybe even your description. So I would target kids brands, magazines, not babies, because these are usually for kids who already know how to draw. So I would say kids who are the age of like 2 years old to all the way to like, I don't know, 8 years old, as long as they have that baby seat or kid seat. I'm not sure about the exact age, but hopefully you understand. And maybe target people who are parents with kids who are aged like 3 years old to whatever, as that could be pretty relevant to the product, of course, because it's for them. So third product is going to be baby/kids portable table. Fourth one is going to be a portable fish finder, and this one is pretty unique, I would say, because I've never seen this before. But this is it, and average rating really good, especially for something that's electronic. So you can see that it kind of works and people are liking it, right? And it's out of 300 reviews. It's really good. 500 orders in total, sizable amount, which means that it has some kind of demand. And you can see it is a top brand, and they've been at this for a while, so you can definitely rely on the supplier for sure. So let's scroll down a bit. You can see these are the specifications and the benefits. Battery indicator, water depth indicator. You have all these fish depth indicator. Really useful stuff when it comes to wanting to fish, right? And you have really good photos that you could use in your descriptions, like that. The selling point for this is that it's really portable, so that's already really good, because you can bring it around without having to carry such huge equipment. Because I imagine fish equipment is already pretty expensive and pretty heavy as well, so it's just going to be pretty easy to carry around. You're also selling it to a passionate audience of fishers and outdoors. So these people are usually really into fishing, and people who they probably look up to a lot of people who are into the same niche, and the different brands and magazines. So you can target different fishing brands, magazines, popular fishers, just fishing itself, or maybe even the type of fish. So that could be really useful, and really get you the targeted traffic. And I would say this is a novel item, and it really sparks people's curiosity for people who haven't seen this before. And I did see an ad about 2 years ago for this. I did a quick search on Facebook, but nothing recent. So I would say it's relatively untapped and unsaturated, but it's up to you whether you want to test it or not, because it might not be confirmed yet, but there is a high potential for you to be like one of the first and really scale it to the moon if people are really liking it. So I put here in the quote, get the approximate location of fish in a depth of water. This is directly from the product description. So this is going to be really helpful for fishers. So it's going to solve a huge problem and make life a lot easier for them, you know, because finding fish is really hard. You know, even though they might like it, but it's really going to speed up the process using this tool. So you can really highlight that in your description as well. Last but not least, we have the portable laptop table, which is this product right here. As you can see, it's about $10. The ratings are mediocre, not too good in my opinion, and not a lot of orders. So if you really want to test this, I would recommend finding a new supplier, because this one is not too good. As you can see, they've just in business for only a bit and their average ratings are not too good. But basically it's just going to help people. It's kind of like creating a home office without having to go anywhere, and you can work around your home very comfortably on your bed, you know, when you're lying down, stuff like that. So it's really going to be useful. There's a cup holder here that you can put a cup in, and notebooks, and really have a comfortable cushion to lean on for your legs. So that's going to be really comfortable and useful for people who like to work on their laptop and work from home, people who are retired and like to stay at home on their phone all day, or, you know, laptop. It's not much to say for this, but I really found this out recently from a tool that I'm using, and it's been recently uploaded on a big store. So I was like, why not just share it, you know, with you guys, because they wouldn't be uploading if, you know, they had potential, right, this product. So, but I would have done, I would do your due diligence first. Obviously they've already done theirs, but I would recommend finding a better supplier and things like that if you want to test this out. But like I said here, because it's not too good. I would target people again who will work from home, housewives, anyone who's retired or likes to stay at home a lot. I'm not too sure about the targeting, to be honest here, but you can kind of work. Hopefully you can find something yourself and do some light research on who might enjoy this product and who might benefit from it the most. As you can see, the products aren't really, doesn't have really good ratings, doesn't have the best ratings. Didn't want the refund, blah blah. So this guy didn't like it because his plastic's broken, but it's mainly just the product issue, you know, came flawed, but nothing too bad with the product itself. So, but I'll definitely look at another supplier. But anyway, these are 5 products that are relatively untapped and potential winning products that can make you well above 10K plus per month. So if you like this video, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe for more content, and comment down below BRANDFAM to enter the giveaway. I will be reading all the comments and answering all of them, and once we reach about 10 to 15 comments, I will be doing a giveaway for 30 minutes free call. And also don't forget to join the free Facebook group if you like. The link is going to be down below. So if you like that, feel free to join and I would approve it straight away. So with that said, thanks for watching guys, and take care.